Someone's trapped inside! We need help! We've got an emergency at the demolition site. Part of the building collapsed, and people are trapped inside.
That sounds serious. Let's get there fast.
Alright team, let's go!
Thank goodness you're here! We've got people trapped inside, but we can't get close enough to pull them out. The structure is too unstable.
Don't worry, we'll handle it. Zippy, start clearing the lighter debris. Jolly, stand by to help anyone we get out. Harvey, give us an aerial view of the situation.
Got it, Ricky. There are at least 2 people near the back corner. I'll guide you to them. On it!
We've got to move fast. The building could collapse further at any moment.
Please, help us! We're stuck!
Hang tight, we're going to get you out of here.
Ricky, I see a 3rd person in the far corner under some debris.
You'll need to hurry. There's no much time.